Hello guys and welcome. The task for today is that we have a list of names and it's required that we create a list of usernames. And that is that the name, the gaps between the names should be converted to underscores, and the name should be written in lowercase characters. Okay, so we need a for loop here and go through each name. And I have made an empty username list here. Now I go through each name, replace the spaces between the names, and convert them to lowercase, and then append it to the username here. So append. Now we get the name dot replace. So what should we replace? We should replace the space to the underscore. The spaces should be replaced to underscore, and then we should convert it to a lowercase. Then we have to get the whole name text. So get this and dot lower. So we convert it to lowercase. Okay, now the for loop will go through each name and the whole list and create a new list. The new list is created and append the new usernames to the end of the new list. Now we have to print the usernames. Let's see how it looks like. That's it. So we have, this is my name, and the names have been converted to lowercase. Okay, thanks, bye.